Hello and welcome back to IK Wonders. After spending 3 nights in Phi Islands, 2 nights in Krabi, at one of the most fabulous resorts, we are now heading to the largest island and one of the most famous islands in Thailand, Phuket. In this video, I will be taking you guys through a list of things you could do when you are in Phuket and the list of things that we chose to do traveling with a toddler. Phuket, being one of the most beautiful locations to live in, holds a lot of things to do and a lot of places to visit around. If this is your first visit to Phuket and this part of Thailand, you would definitely want to visit the islands surrounding Phuket. Famous islands being James Bond Island and the Phi Islands. James Bond Island is located in Phang Nga Bay. Phang Nga Bay is the bay area between the mainland of Thailand and Phuket, the big island of Phuket. James Bond Island gets its name after the island being featured in one of the James Bond movies in 1974, The Man with the Golden Gun. Next up, Phi Islands. A single day visit or a 3-night stay, it's never enough. These islands are beautiful. Sometimes you will not believe the nature which you see around this part of Thailand. Phi Islands are also host to the Maya Bay and the Philae Lagoon, which are World Heritage Sites, and they are very unique in their own way. It's definitely a must visit when you're in this part of Thailand. When you are probably done with all the islands and island hopping, you can visit the big Buddha statue. One morning you can just get up and drive up to the big Buddha statue. It's a 148 feet tall statue sitting on top of a mountain. It's visible through almost half of the Phuket province, and the view from the big Buddha statue of the nearby beaches is spectacular and breathtaking. This is a masterpiece. If you are someone who enjoys a lot of water sports and things to do in water, you can try surfing. If you know how to surf, there are places where you can go out and learn surfing in Phuket. You can hire a kayak, you can head out in the ocean, you can kayak yourself to the nearby islands, you can spend time on those islands alone and then come back. You can hire a long-tail boat to go snorkeling or scuba diving. You can learn scuba diving and go scuba diving. And if you are the person who enjoys a lot of wildlife and interaction with wild animals, you should definitely visit the elephant sanctuaries or the elephant camps in Phuket. You get to interact with elephants, you get to feed them, bathe them. In some places you get to even ride an elephant, though I don't recommend you sitting on any animal and riding an animal. You can choose to go to the Tiger Kingdom in Phuket, which now also hosts cheetahs. You can take pictures with both tigers and cheetahs. You can visit the Dolphin Bay, where they host a dolphin show where the dolphins and the seals come out and perform for you. It's really spectacular and beautiful to watch them perform in a huge pool of water. You can even touch them and get to swim with them at an extra cost, but It's a unique experience which probably you might not have done before, or you might not be doing again in your life. Phuket also hosts a Sunday night market, which it is very much known for. It's a famous market in Phuket. When you are in Phuket, you can also rent out a long-tail boat to head out to the sea and try your luck fishing. Or you can go to the local seafood market and buy your own fish or prawns. And you can have them cooked at the restaurants located nearby, which cook these meals for you. You can choose your recipe and they'll make the meal. They generally charge around 75 to 100 baht per kg. Apart from all the things I mentioned, there are still a lot more things you can do in Phuket. So I recommend you spend as much time as possible in the city. It's not that hard to find a decent place to stay in Phuket. There are a lot of Airbnbs offering better prices than hotels for better looking properties. Like the Airbnb which we stayed in, it was a 3-bedroom villa with a private pool and a car park. It costed us around 2,900 baht a night. The link is in the description for those who are looking for a place in Phuket and want to have a private villa for yourself. I recommend you hiring a car or renting a car or a two-wheeler if you're staying in an Airbnb, and because most of them are located quite far from the main activity area. I hope all the things I listed out really help you guys in choosing what you want to do in Phuket. Hope you had a great time watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, more content coming soon on the channel. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.